King's Cross at twilight, something special. Filming's usually very good. Sunday service, afternoon of Sunday, October the 27th, 2019. Let's see what we find. Start on platforms 5 and 6. On the left here we've got an Azuma on platform 6, leaving on the 1600 service to Edinburgh. And on the right hand side we've got a class 180, just arrived on the Grand Central service from Sunderland. We can see on the left as well on platform 7 is a HST arrived in there, not long arrived. I think that's on an Edinburgh service. Next two platforms next door. We've got platforms 3 and 4.
The next train to depart on platform 9
and in the background platform 0. I'm sure you all know there's a platform 0 on King's Cross.
Will passengers intending to travel on this service,
anyway, here we are on platform 3
now, as it is ready to leave. Platform 3 for 1605 Azuma service to Leeds.
and as the station announcer was just announced, that's the 1605 to Leeds, and these people have got to rush to get on. See, they're changing the track here. Our Thunderbird class 67 has gone. They're changing the ballast, and it looks like that easterly tunnel is going to be brought back in. Perhaps somebody can tell us about it. Anyway, on with the traffic. Here's a Thameslink 700 unit. These photograph very well. I think this is coming into platform 8. It's probably come on a Peterborough service. You see, I've come to the end of platforms 4 and 5, so you get some nice light on most of the trains from the westerly direction. There's our two Azumas, and there's the driver of the train in platform 0 going just to check on our train. This shows the twilight coming out, the brightness of the headlight. A DVT 82211 entering platform 3. I think this is on a service from Leeds. And that Azuma that we're seeing there in platform 4, that's one we're going to feature later. That's the 1700 to Edinburgh. Anyway, here's the other end of our Leeds train. See the tunnel in the background? It's got lights on. I suspect that they're going to bring that tunnel back into service. Perhaps somebody can tell us about that. Got some more information. Anyway, here's 91115. And even though it says Bladen Races, I think that train's come from Leeds. Now we've got the Zuma in platform 0 leaving. This is on the 1630 Azuma service to Glasgow Central, leaving from platform 0. A very sedate departure. It's got a lot of tracks to navigate before it gets onto the main line. And there again, in the distance, there's our easterly tunnel with lights on. I suspect they're doing work in there, and in the future those platform 0, 1 and 2 trains won't have quite so many switches and crossings to navigate. Here's the end of the train. It's really getting quite dark now. Twilight's a good way to describe it, but the automatic cameras show it in a different light, and the lights are starting to burn brighter. That's how you know. The signals, everything, twilight. Here's the driver of our 1700 to Edinburgh climbing aboard, and other passengers, he'll be doing some final checks. in the background. That train that came from Leeds is going to go back to Leeds following the 1700, probably the 1705 to Leeds. It's the driver of our Edinburgh train again. Set 800-108. These really photograph very nicely. One more arrival out of the tunnel again. You don't know what's coming. You see the headlight coming. And it's another 91 powered train. We've got a DVT on the front. This one 214. This looks like we're going to drop into platform 6. I'm not sure. I think this one's come from Edinburgh. It's Sunday and there's a bit of late running. I didn't think there'd be so many 91s around. But it's nice to see them. They photograph well as well. It's quite an attractive departure. Our great Grand Central train is going back to Sunderland on the 1653 King's Cross to Sunderland. Here's our 180 set that was waiting down the bottom of platform 5. The 1653 to Sunderland. That shows the lights and the darkness, the twilight. There's another train, a 91 power train coming from the north. And that's our third class 91 that we'll see, 91-106. There's a line-up, platforms 8, 7, 6, nothing in 5. I love this at King's Cross, the station announcer. They've got such a clear way. This lady's voice here, just listen to this.
Travel on this service, please join the train now as it is ready to leave. Platform 4 on the 1700 Azuma service to Edinburgh, which is ready to leave. Customers traditionally at New Southgate.
Couldn't be clearer, that's the... That's a following service. Here's our 1700 to Edinburgh. And this is going to end this twilight feature. Probably twilight to those class 91s as well next time I go down there. It should be all these babies.